So we have another Sunday breakdown. Let's get straight into it. Been trading some stocks recently too. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. First pair is EJ. Let's go to the daily real quick. So EJ for the past few weeks has been extremely bullish, and last week I tried to get a little buy on it. Didn't take the trade due to the fact that, let's go on the hourly, did notice this lower high on the smaller time frames. Overall, this is just noise, but it's just a lot going on, and I felt that it could potentially push past this area of support, but it didn't. Maintain support, create a higher low, and the move played out, but I didn't take the trade. It is what it is. Right now, this is overall consolidating within this ranging area, so I'm just not going to take part in it, at least for right now. I do see it continue to go bullish. We can apply our fibs. This looks like a 61.8 type of move. If I were to put it like, let's do it there, something like that, 61.8. So do see this going to the upside, continuing on from there. We have GU also extremely bullish. I definitely see this pushing past this area of resistance, but I'm just waiting for a potential pullback. Let me say this. I wouldn't be surprised if price does pull back to at least the 50%. 61.8 is a little bit of a stretch, but I definitely see it coming back to at least around the 50% range. If it doesn't, it doesn't, but I'm just going to wait for that move, wait for some pullbacks too. And I want to show this kind of the moving average. I think it was on the 2-hour where I saw the moving average there. In terms of the confluence there, I really like that look of it. 4-hour, the moving averages are down there. I definitely don't think it will push all the way down here, but if it does, it does. Like I said, a small pullback of some sort, and then I definitely see this going back to the upside. Always our targets are the negative 27%, and we just keep it rolling. UJ, right now we're at this area of support. I deem it an area of support based on the fact that if we go to the hourly, this does qualify as a double bottom. Double bottom also rejected here initially. Then we had this double bottom. We have a lot of exhaustion right here. Also, we see that price, use this, broke above this point here, showing that we do have a decreased volume of sellers within this market, at least for right now. Now, eventually it could just out of nowhere just like push down, which I definitely don't see that happening, but anything could happen. But based on what I'm seeing right now, I definitely see this being a start of a transition to the upside or a bullish market within the foreseeable future. But right now it just established its area of support, so we're just gonna have to fill this out and just see if this area can be maintained. Then gold extremely choppy, coming from a bullish market. And Friday went crazy. I don't know what really drove it to come all the way up. I remember in the morning seeing the price all the way up here, but then later on in the day it came all the way back down. So I was like, what? I definitely don't want to be in these markets at that time. It was very volatile, and I didn't really know why. Hey, man. That's gold for you. Very, very, very. In this consolidation point, I do still have my fifth from point A, point B, point C. Due to the fact that it's still bullish, we do still see these higher lows right here. Overall, maintaining this bullish sentiment, but I'm staying out of this one. Honestly, this is why I have it all the way last. So I'm just gonna chill out on gold. I'm gonna chill out on that one. I did first time getting into options, trading options this week. I did get into options within Google as well as Walmart. I just think would pull up. Come on. All right, so Google made a nice move on Friday, had a little profit, but I have these being held for like a month. Google as well as Walmart. Walmart extremely bullish. Of course, it's December. Everybody's getting the presents, getting the gifts, and sales have just been skyrocketing for Walmart. So love to look at this. Market looks great. I love that we have right here kind of a hammer type of look to this. So definitely seeing this go all the way to our negative 27, potentially make our first profits with our options calls. So that's it for the video. Appreciate y'all for watching. Another market breakdown, predicting the markets for the week. And I'll catch you on the next video.